Welcome to the Himalayas, a realm of soaring peaks, glistening glaciers, and the birthplace of some of the world's mightiest rivers. Join me, Knowledge Quest, as we embark on an extraordinary journey to trace these rivers from their glacial origins to the fertile plains they nourish. From the frozen heart of the Himalayas, we'll follow their descent, witnessing their transformation from trickling streams to raging torrents. High in the Garhwal Himalayas, nestled amongst the icy peaks, lies the Gangotri Glacier, the source of India's holiest river, the Ganges. Known locally as Ganga, this sacred river is revered by millions of Hindus who believe its waters hold the power to purify and cleanse. Pilgrims journey from far and wide to bathe in its waters, seeking spiritual solace and blessings. As the Ganges flows further downstream, it transforms into a lifeline for millions, providing water for drinking, irrigation, and transportation. The Ganges River dolphin, a critically endangered species, navigates the river's currents, a testament to the rich biodiversity that depends on its health. Yet, the Ganges faces growing threats from pollution, damming, and climate change, underscoring the urgent need to protect this vital waterway. Our journey takes us eastward to the Tibetan Plateau, where the mighty Indus River begins its long journey to the Arabian Sea. Known as the Sindhu in ancient Sanskrit, the Indus River holds immense historical significance. It cradled the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, which flourished over 5,000 years ago. Today, the Indus remains a lifeline for Pakistan, providing water for agriculture, industry, and domestic use. The Indus River dolphin, a blind and endangered species, has adapted to life in the river's murky waters, relying on echolocation to navigate and hunt for prey. However, the Indus faces increasing pressure from damming, water extraction, and climate change, highlighting the need for sustainable water management practices. Chapter 3. The Brahmaputra, a river of power and majesty. From the heights of the Angsi Glacier in the Tibetan Himalayas, the Brahmaputra River embarks on an epic journey through towering mountains and verdant valleys. Known as the Yarlung Tsangpo in Tibet, it carves a path through deep gorges, its roar echoing through the mountains. As the Brahmaputra enters India, it transforms into a mighty river, its waters swelling with monsoon rains. The one-horned rhinoceros roams the grasslands along its banks, while elephants bathe in its waters. The river teems with fish, providing sustenance for both wildlife and local communities. However, the Brahmaputra's power also poses challenges, as erosion and flooding threaten communities living along its banks. Balancing the need for flood control with the preservation of the river's natural flow is a delicate task. Chapter 4. The Yamuna, a tributary of life. Flowing from the Yamunotri Glacier, high in the Uttarakhand Himalayas, the Yamuna River is a major tributary of the Ganges and a vital source of water for millions of people. The Yamuna joins the Ganges at Allahabad, a confluence considered sacred by Hindus. Along its banks, ancient cities like Delhi and Agra have flourished, their histories intertwined with the river's flow. The Taj Mahal, a timeless monument to love, stands majestically on the banks of the Yamuna in Agra, its reflection shimmering in the river's waters. However, the Yamuna faces significant challenges from pollution, particularly in urban areas. Efforts are underway to clean up the river and restore its ecological health, but the task is immense. Despite the challenges, the Yamuna remains a lifeline for millions, providing water for irrigation, industry, and domestic use. Chapter 5. The Sutlej, powering the plains. Our final journey takes us to Lake Rakshastal in Tibet, the source of the Sutlej River, a tributary of the Indus. From its high-altitude origins, the Sutlej carves its way through the Himalayas, its waters a brilliant turquoise against the stark landscape. As the Sutlej flows through India and Pakistan, it becomes a vital source of water for irrigation and hydroelectric power. Dams harness the river's energy, providing electricity to millions of people. The Bakra Nangal Dam, one of the highest gravity dams in the world, stands as a testament to human ingenuity in harnessing the Sutlej's power. The Sutlej's waters irrigate vast agricultural lands, transforming arid regions into fertile fields. However, the Sutlej, like other Himalayan rivers, faces challenges from climate change, melting glaciers, and increasing water demand. Outro Guardians of the Himalayas. As our journey through the heart of the Himalayas concludes, we're left with a profound appreciation for the vital role these rivers play. They are not merely geographical features, but the lifeblood of the regions they flow through, shaping landscapes, sustaining ecosystems, and nurturing civilizations for millennia. The challenges these rivers face are a stark reminder of the impact of human activities on the natural world. Thank you for joining Knowledge Quest on this exploration of the Himalayan rivers.